Advertisement. Meaning. Advertisement refers to a public notice or announcement that promotes or informs people about a product, service, or event. Definition. Advertisement is a noun that describes a message designed to attract attention and persuade people to take an action, such as purchasing or participating. It can appear in various forms, like print, digital, or broadcast media. Examples in sentences. 1. They launched a new advertisement for their latest product. In this example, advertisement refers to a promotional message created for the product. 2. The advertisement on the bus caught everyone's attention. Here, advertisement refers to the display on the bus that was meant to promote something. Usage. Advertisement is used to reach a wide audience with the intention of influencing their behavior. It is an essential tool in marketing and is often tailored to different mediums for maximum reach. Advertisements are crucial for building brand recognition and driving sales.
English practice.